Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi to all my Year 8 students. How's everybody? I hope everybody is doing fine. Okay, so we continue with the next topic. We are done with the previous one, which is sequence graph. We are done with that. If you have problem in doing the exercise in the previous video, please feel free to text me, okay? And please feel free to submit your homework via WhatsApp or IG, okay? So I've received homework from Aisyah, but it's okay. You can still you can just pass up to me after the school holiday pun still fine. Okay, but make sure you guys do inside your exercise book. Okay, so for this week we are going to move to the next subtopic, to the next chapter, not subtopic, sorry, to the next chapter, which is circle, cylinders and prism. Okay, so for this week, for this video, I'm going to focus on circles only. Okay, circles only. Okay. So now, for the first video, I'm going to cover on area of a circle. Okay, but before we move to area of a circle, you need to make sure you know some properties of a circle. Okay, so let's say we have a circle like this. Okay, you need to know where's the position. You need to know where's the position of your radius, your dimension, and your circumference. Okay, so radius is just from the center to the side of your circle, but you need to make sure it's from the center. Radius must be from the center, okay, from the center to the side. Okay, so this is what we call radius. Okay, so diameter is from one side to one side, but you need to make sure you need to pass through the center. So this is what we call diameter. Remember, diameter must pass through the center. Okay, so the spelling is D-I-A-M-E-T-E-R. So that is the diameter. Okay. Okay, and then the last one is the circumference. You need to know that that is the circumference. Circumference is just like the perimeter of your circle. Okay, not the perimeter of your circle. The perimeter of your circle. So that is circumference. Okay, so that is the definition of some of the circle properties. Okay, so now let's move to the area of a circle that we want to cover in the first video. Okay, so how do we calculate area of a circle? So this is really easy, but you need to make sure you remember the formula. Okay, so area of a circle is equals to pi r square, where pi, the value of pi here is simply the one inside your calculator, where you can simply press shift and then equal and then that one equal sign. So that is the value of your pi. So you don't have to remember, you don't have to worry what is the value. Just press your calculator. Okay, and then r here is the radius. Okay, r is the radius. Okay, so it's pi r square. Okay, make sure you have this inside your notes. You have this inside your notes. Take your exercise book, copy everything from Walt With to the circle properties just now, and then copy this formula. Is very important. So area equals to pi r square, where r is the radius. Okay, so now let's quickly look at the first example. Okay, so first example, so this is the question. Okay, find the area of a circle of radius 4 cm. So area of a circle of radius 4 cm. So formula of area is A equals to pi r square. So what is the value of pi? Is we just press the calculator. What is the value of r? That is just 4. So that is just pi and then 4 square. Okay, so this is how you press your calculator. Okay, you press pi, you take that value. Okay, and then times. Okay, and then we have 4 and then square. That's it. That's how you press. Okay, equal sign. Okay, so if you get your answer is like something very long like this, remember, oh shiny. Okay, so remember you always take your answer to 3 significant figures only. Okay, so you will be given an instruction inside your paper. You need to leave your answer in 3 significant figures. So do not take more than that. So that is just 50. According to this answer, it's 50.3. Why is it 0.3? Because we have 6 at the back. I want to stop here. I want to stop at 1 decimal place. Okay, so 6 is greater than 5, so I need to add 1 here. So it's 50.3. Okay, 50.3. What is the unit? Okay, unit used in the question is cm, so therefore it is cm square. Okay? Okay, so that is the first question. Second question. Okay, please if you need to copy the question, okay? So if you cannot follow, pause the video and then copy the question. Okay, second question now. Second question, find the area of a circle with a diameter of 16 cm. Okay, so you have a circle with a diameter, that is a diameter. Diameter is 16 cm. Okay, the diameter is 16 cm. Okay, let me draw it bigger so that you guys can see. That one must pass through the center, okay? So that is 16 cm. Okay, so we know that the formula of finding area of a circle is A equals to pi r square. Okay, we don't have D inside the formula. We don't have D. But given information in the question is D. Okay, but I want to use R. So what is the value of R here? Remember, R is like from the center to one side only. Okay, that one only. But we know that from one side to the other side, that is 16. But I want half of that only. So how many cm is the radius? If D is equals to 16 cm, so therefore your R is equals to 8 cm. Okay, so what you need to know, the relation here is R is equals to your D, you divide by 2. Okay, so this is the relation that you need to know. I need everybody to copy that inside your exercise book. So R is equals to diameter over 2. Okay, so we know that the diameter now is 16. So therefore the R is 16 over 2. So you will get 8 cm. So we know that the R now is 8 cm. Substitute into the equation. That is just pi 8 square. So how do you press your calculator? That is just, you press shift and then pi times 8 square. So still very long answer. Take 3 significant figures only. So that is just 201 cm square. Settle. Okay, so make sure you have the 2 examples inside your exercise book. I'm going to give the homework in the second video. Okay.